Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. It's been a while since I did a review on this kit right here. It's the contents that are inside of this kit which makes it important. But this is what started Medical Gear Outfitters, was my small molle kit, and it's been several years since I did a video on it. Did it with a really crappy camera, so I decided I was going to do an update video because I've got a new camera and I've made a little bit of a change since the original product. So this is my small molle kit. It comes in the Condor Emt Pouch or the Vanquest 4x6 pouch. Now the Condor Emt Pouch is a little bit bigger than the Vanquest 4x6. So if you buy it in the Condor Emt Pouch, you have room for like an EpiPen if you carry one, maybe a tourniquet, pressure bandage, things like that. So you get a little bit extra room. If you carry the Vanquest 4x6, it is slammed tight, and I'll show you a picture of that, show you a little bit of video so you can see. So you really can't add anything extra to it. But if you do put it in the EMT pouch, you've got a little extra room. Your first option is to put it in the Condor EMT pouch. It comes in red, black, you have tan, green, and multicam as your choice of colors and pattern. The other option as far as pouches is concerned is to put it in the Vanquest 4x6 pouch. Now this pouch here is smaller, so it is jam packed. There's not any room to add anything extra inside the pack. This one does use the speed sticks to attach to your gear. Does have the ability to label this as a first aid kit with a hook and loop on top. So it's a little bit smaller. As you can see, if I lay them side by side, the EMT pouch is bigger, does allow you to put more room in it. The Vanquest gear is a little bit smaller. I do think the material is a little better on the Vanquest because of the water resistance on the Vanquest stuff. I've had the Condor stuff out in water and it honestly just absorbs the water, but this just repels the water. So a little bit better gear, a little more expensive as well, obviously. And then two different options for you. Now this is May 2016. They're getting ready to roll out with the Gen 2 of the Vanquest FATPacks. I have them, I just can't show you on video, so stay tuned to the channel if you're watching this as a new video. And if you're watching this as an old video through the search, then the pouch is going to look a little bit different than this. So a little premature on the Vanquest gear. Just want to give you that option. If you are looking at the Vanquest pack, you have a couple different options as far as color. You have tan, black, and the wolf gray. Wolf gray is my personal favorite, man. I think it's a cool color. So another option, if you didn't want the pouch, you don't want anything like that, you just want those actual supplies, whether you're getting started as a first aid kit or you're going to take this particular bag, put it in your bug out bag, put it in your backpack, things like that. This is called a refill kit. So it's all the supplies that are in the pouch, and then you just get the supplies. So you don't have to buy the pouch and like that. So this is everything that's included. It comes in a Ziploc bag. So if you just want to throw this in a backpack, throw this in your day bag, things like that, you get all the supplies minus the pouch. So that's another option for people. They're just looking for some good medical supplies. Alright, so I'm going to open up this pouch. I'll put a complete list of the supplies down below in the description. That way when I run through this really fast, if you miss something, then you can scroll through and find it. So we'll open up the Condor EMT pouch first. So tucked in this big pocket here, you get two 5x9s, 5 4x4s. There's two triangle bandages here. There's two rolls of cling that are secured, sterile. Two pair of large gloves, a pair of EMT scissors, roll of tape, good size tape here. This is the Quik Clot sponge. This is going to be for the more serious bleeding here. Then we've got a few different meds in here. You get Benadryl, Ibuprofen, Tylenol, and Aspirin. So some people ask me about the different pain meds. Obviously, you got Ibuprofen, which is going to be anti-inflammatory. Tylenol, of course, is overall good pain medicine. I put aspirin in there. It is a blood thinner, so you could use it for someone's having chest pain, things like this, because this is an overall general first aid kit. So if someone's having chest pain, you could give them some aspirin, and that's going to help if they are having a heart attack. And of course, the Benadryl for allergic reaction, things like that. Then you get two Band-Aids, 5 butterflies, and some antibiotic ointment. There's some alcohol wipes. There's 5 of them there. So you can clean wounds, clean utensils, things like that. Now the change here is from my first kit that I rolled out is I had some Sting Swabs that you broke open and rubbed it on there. So these, and you only got 1 of those. So now I give you 5 of the wipes. So a little bit different product, works the same, works really well, but now you get 5 of them instead of 1. So a little bit different there. And like I said, this is a little bit more room, so if you want to add a tourniquet, pressure bandage, or your own medications, or you want to add something extra, there's room in there for it. Now the Vanquest pack is packed a little bit different, and I'll show you here. So I'll move this over, and then we're going to show this. So the scissors obviously on the outside here, and then we'll get it pulled down. So everything has to be packed jam tight in this kit now. So Quik Clot sponge, the roll of tape is tucked down in here. So now the 5x9s and 4x4s are here, 2 triangle bandages, 2 rolls of cling. The gloves are packed behind here in a separate little pouch. There's another pocket back here. So a pair of gloves, another pair of gloves over here, and then in your top here is where your smaller items are. So here's your medicines. There again, that's Tylenol, Benadryl, Ibuprofen, and Aspirin. Here's your antibiotic wipes. The butterflies are tucked in here, and the Band-Aids. And your alcohol wipes, and then your bee sting reliefs here. Of course, then we tuck the tape in, and your alcohol sponge goes on top. So that kit is ready to go. This small molle kit was not designed to be a trauma kit. It wasn't designed to take care of anything like that. This was just a good general first aid kit that the average person could grab and know how to use without any special training. Now, I do encourage you to go take a first aid class, CPR class, and if you did, you would know how to use everything in that pouch after that class. So that's what this was designed for, is for the average person to be able to put this in, put it in their truck, put it on a backpack, just to have it with them as a good general first aid kit to take care of the most typical common injuries that occur. So that's what this kit's designed for, and it's done well with it. I get stories a lot about people who use this particular kit to help someone. I've used this particular kit on the side of a road with a motorcycle accident. You know, I've used it before, and it's good supplies that you're getting here. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder, remembering the right gear and the right training.